New videos every day.
This is Athena Jezik, and we're going to show another one with the back. This is going to be the upper back, shoulders, and back of the neck. We've been doing several, and she's got a little cut mark on her back. Okay, upper backs, shoulders, and neck. They all tie together pretty well, and we also want to be mindful that there's ribs underneath there. And the ribs have muscles in between each rib bone called intercostal muscles. So what I do is begin up here at the neck and work it this way, down. Feeling a little bit of tension there. Stuff going on in here. Getting under the shoulder blades. I usually go down into the low back, but we're going to stay more in the upper back. Releasing the shoulders. To release the shoulders, I pick the shoulder socket area up and then let the scapula wing out. And then the other way you can do this is to hook your fingers underneath and kind of pull it this toward you, pulling it laterally. This way you can also get your fingers underneath to get to the subscapularis muscle, the muscle that's actually underneath this scapula. I'll take the arm under here and give it some shaking, sometimes taking the arm even off. And again, working range of motion. There is a way sometimes to tie the arm up, but I think that's oftentimes a feeling of being restrained. So the same thing you can get by placing your own arm underneath and lifting it that way is the same kind of thing that you're going to do winging it up. The muscle will go, the scapula will go up a little higher, but you're able to still pick it up. And I do that because there's some people that have problems with feeling restrained when their hands are behind them, or they just can't do it because of lack of flexibility. So rather than hurting anybody, I just choose to keep their arm supported on my arm. And then you can give it a little stretch. And the same thing can be repeated on the other side. We've worked a lot on this side. I'll just pick this up so you can see it from this angle. Pick it up and go inside. And again, then you can do range of motion, bringing it up, bringing it back, bringing it around. Bringing it back down, taking it that way. That all feels pretty good. Now the ribs are underneath. So what I like to do with the ribs is get my fingers in between them and run down the sides, finding the rib and then getting my index finger in between it And again, there's a certain amount of pressure, but it's not a whole lot of pressure. And again, I wait for that muscle to open. It invites the finger in pretty easily. And that gives a lot more elasticity to the intercostal muscles, so the breath can be deeper, and the movement of the chest and upper back can be more open. Now, thinking that there are ribs underneath the arm, there's ribs that go right underneath the arm. So when we think about having an armpit, we're really having a series of ribs underneath there. That's not really a pit at all. And right under here is where there's ribs. Get into those intercostals as well. And then to take the entire rib cage and move it around. Make it back and forth. And whenever the hips can move with it, that's a good sign. When the body moves, the entire spine moves. When there's an area being moved, and the spine shows a lot of flexibility that way. Okay. This is Athena Jezik with more massage techniques.
If you liked this video, we have hundreds of more alternative videos ranging from sexual health to psychology to mind control. So if you liked it, go ahead and click on me to enter the Psychetruth channel.